everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm so excited for this episode. I am sharing with you a dupe for a Reese's peanut butter cup. Yep, one of my favorite candies. So if you like dupe videos, subscribe and keep watching. Alright, so if you're familiar with what a Reese's peanut butter cup is, it's basically just chocolate and in the middle there is a peanut butter layer. So to make this a little bit healthier, I'm going to be using dark chocolate. And then for the peanut butter, I have this better peanut butter that I've gotten from Trader Joe's. You can find it at other grocery stores too. So in front of me right here, I have a double broiler going, which is just hot water on the bottom. I put a bowl on top and then I have my dark chocolate and a little bit of coconut oil. And so what I'm going to do is just wait for all of this to get nice and melty. Okay, look at that. All the chocolate is nice and melted. So now what you want to do is line a cupcake tray with silicone liners or even just paper liners. Anything really works. And then what you're going to do is just fill up, and I have this tablespoon measurement right here. I'm going to take about 1 tablespoon each and fill the bottom of the liners with that. So 1 tablespoon should be good. I'll do 1 more. Okay, and then you just keep going. Okay, so you fill about 10 of them because you do need to leave half of the chocolate to cover it. So next what you're going to do is I have some peanut butter and a little bit of coconut milk. So I'm going to just stir this up until it's nice and smooth. Okay, so that's nice and smooth. And actually now what you want to do is take your muffin line chocolate syrup and pop this in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's completely set, and then I'll show you what's next. All right, I just took this out of the fridge. It's nice and settled. If you pick one up, you can see that it's solid. So now what you're gonna do is take that peanut butter that you stirred up and put a little bit in the center. So I like to kind of estimate and put about maybe a teaspoon. If you like more peanut butter, you put more. So that looks about good to me. I'm just going to continue and putting the same amount in the middle of all of them. All right, now that we have our peanut butter layer, what you're going to do is with that leftover melted chocolate, put about 1 tablespoon each on top so that it completely covers it like that. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time to show you guys. Completely. And then you're just going to pop it back in the fridge for about another 10-15 minutes until it's completely set. All right, welcome back. So I just pulled these out of the fridge. They have totally settled. So now let's go ahead and give these a try. So the good thing about these silicone liners is that they pop right out. And oh my goodness, that looks exactly like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Wow, look at that, guys. I'm so excited. All right, time to take a bite. So I probably should have let it set a little bit longer, but I was just way too impatient. But you can see, well, from this side, the peanut butter layer is nice and creamy. This is so good, guys, and so easy, like you saw, to make. So if you like videos where I just take everyday grocery items and make it myself, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. If you're familiar with what a Reese's peanut butter cup